Welcome to Real Life Wednesday. If you've been wondering whether you should start a low carb lifestyle now or just wait until after the holiday, stay with me for a minute because the real answer might surprise you. And it's probably not one that you've been telling yourself. If you're even thinking about starting now, your brain is already craving the change. Nobody asks this question when they're completely content living on cookies and stuffing. You're asking because something inside of you already knows that waiting makes it harder, not easier. And I get it. This time of year is chaotic. There are events, treats everywhere, family gatherings, cookie exchanges, office parties. It feels like the wrong time to change anything. But don't go anywhere because here's the part most people don't realize. Starting now doesn't mean perfect. It means momentum. And momentum beats motivation every single time. So let me give you a real life example. Before I started keto, I used to do the same thing every December. I'll start after the holiday. And every time I hit January feeling bloated, exhausted, craving everything, and honestly just disappointed in myself. And I hadn't given future me a fighting chance. But the first year I said, okay, I can't control every event or every meal, but I can control something today. Everything changed. I didn't start January in a hole. I started with a warm up. And that's what I want for you. Because even a fewer lower carb days before the holiday can change everything. Your hunger can stabilize, your cravings can quiet down. You walk into that big holiday meal feeling calm instead of chaotic. And afterwards, you don't have to have that, why did I do that spiral? You just go right back to the plan you already started. And here's a little mindset shift. Waiting until after the holiday is usually just procrastination in a festive sweater. Starting now isn't about dieting through December. It's about protecting January. It's about giving future you a softer landing, a clearer head, and a body that's already easing out of inflammation. And if you want a little more structure without diving into coaching, my beginner keto book is on sale for December and January. It's simple, clear, and exactly what I wish I had when I started. I'll put the link below if you want it. And by the way, I've been thinking about running a really low-key 21-day keto start in January through Coach Catalyst. Nothing intense, just simply daily guidance, support, and a place to check in so you're not doing this alone. If that's something you want, tell me in the comments. If there's enough interest, I'll open it up. But for today, here's your tiny action step. Pick one win, just one. Maybe it's a low-carb dinner. Maybe it's skipping the candy bowl. Maybe it's hitting 30 grams of protein at your first meal. That one decision is you starting. And starting now is always easier than starting later. And if you want to see exactly how long it really takes to start burning fat after cutting carbs, go watch this video next. And I'll give you a clear roadmap for the first few days. I'll see you tomorrow.